Hi everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic low vision devices. This is the basic about the low vision devices. So let's move to the description. Low vision is a condition when the vision cannot be improved further with the help of traditional spectacle or surgery. Low vision is a condition in which the vision of a person should be less than 618 as told by the World Health Organization or according to the definition which is given by the WHO, World Health Organization, and the vision of a person cannot be improved with the help of any kind of trial lenses or spectacle lenses or any kind of surgery. Persons with low vision use a number of different instruments which are known as low vision devices so that they can lead their daily life easily, often after proper reflection and proper history. So low vision devices are offered to a person by taking the proper history of a person and after doing a proper reflection of a person. Okay, types of low vision devices. Now we have two types of low vision devices. First one are optical aids and the second one are non-optical aids, or we can say first one are optical devices and the another one are non-optical devices. Next one, optical devices. Optical devices are those which magnify the objects with the help of lenses. Okay, with the help of lenses objects get magnified, so these are the optical devices. Okay, next one, how do they help? Now, how do the optical devices help the person by improving their vision? Now they work on the 5 different strategies. First one is the enlargement of an object. Okay, so if you can see here, then you can here notice that this is the A, and low vision aids helps in enlarging the A. The size of the A get enlarged by this. Okay, so these helps in the enlarging of an object. Next one is contrast enhancement. The brightness of a thing get increases. Next one is selective fixation. For example, we are supposed to fixate only at this point. Okay, so we get fixate at this point only with the help of low vision aids. Optical magnification. Okay, this also gives magnification. This also get magnify the number or magnify the anything. Okay, next one, electronic magnification. In case of electronic magnification, one can use the CCTV. Okay, so in this way all the optical aids are depend upon the 5 strategies. Sometimes we enlarge the object, sometimes contrast enhancement is given, selective fixation, optical magnification and electronic magnification. So let's see one by one. Okay, acronyms used in low vision. These are 3 B's. First one is bigger. Things should be bigger, brighter or bolder. Next one, 3 C's. Things are closer, coarser and contrast. Okay, everything depends upon 3 B's as well as 3 C's. Next one, principles of magnification. Now we have the 4 principles of magnification. First one is relative distance magnification. Second one is relative magnification, angular magnification and electronic magnification. Second one is relative size magnification. Okay, so let's move to the relative distance magnification. In case of distance magnification, the object should be close to our eyes. Okay, so the large image is formed on the retina of the patient. For example, we will here change the distance of an object as well as the patient by sitting in front of the television, as we are supposed to sit at the back side of the television or at the maintaining the distance from the television, we will sit close to the television like here. Okay, so the clear image will be formed on the retina. So we have here used the principle of relative distance magnification by changing the distance so that the image should be clear. Okay, and the next example is holding a book closed while reading. When we are reading, then we will hold book closed so that it should look clear. Next one is relative size magnification. In case of relative size magnification, we will enlarging the size of an object. For example, we will change the size by using the large print books as compared to small print books and writing large letters. If we are doing written work, then we will write the large letters. Okay, for example, here large text should be used by the low vision patient as compared to using a small text. Next one, angular magnification. Now we will change the angle of an object by using telescopes or the magnifiers. Okay, so here the telescope is used here, and the angle should be changed so that the image should look clear to the patient by using telescope. Next one is electronic magnification. Now here we will enlarge the object by achieving enlargement of an object is achieved by projecting an object onto the screen, such as film slides, for example CCTV. Now you can see that a large object is seen here, so we will here change the enlargement of object, or we will do the enlargement of object by using the electronic magnification or CCTV. Okay, let's move to the next, magnification devices. Now the magnification devices are for both for near work as well as for the distance work, because every person for the every person these are the basic needs. Everyone have to do the distance work as well as the near work. For near, different things are used. First one is the handheld magnifier, stand magnifier, pocket magnifier, bar reader, magnifying eyeglasses and magnifying lenses. Okay, for the distance we will use the telescopes, binocular, monocular, spectacle mounted or handheld. Okay, so let's see. First one is the handheld magnifier. Okay, this one is the handheld magnifier. A person will hold the magnifier in the hand, and then if you can see that large print size is seen because it gets magnified. It is handheld, that's why the person has hold it in his or her hand. Next one is stand magnifier. Now there is no need to hold it. Okay, stand is given here, so we will rotate it, or we will drag it where we will need to read the print size. This one is the stand magnifier, there is no need to hold it. Next one is the bar reader. If you are going for a shopping, then this is the bar reader. You can read everything which is written in a small print by using a bar reader. Okay, next one, magnifying glasses. Now the person is wearing a magnifying glasses. If you can see here that large small print size, he or she can see by using the magnifying glasses. Okay, these are the optical aids. Next one, spectacle mounting telescopes. Now the telescopes are used for the distance. Okay, so the telescope is get fitted on a spectacle. Okay, in this way the person use the spectacle mounted telescopes. Next one, instruction for telescope users. If the person is using a telescope, then what instructions are given to the patient? Okay, first one is the localization. He or she can look, he or she can wear the spectacle or can look. This one is the binocular spectacle, this one is the binocular telescope. Okay, and this one is the monocular telescope. Monocular is it is on the one eye only, and binocular is because it is only both eyes. Okay, so the person have to first of all wear this and have to look where he is supposed to read. For example, the person is supposed to read this sentence. Okay, so first of all he will look at this sentence. Okay, next one, focusing. To focus at that area, he or she will focus on this area where he is supposed to look. Spotting, to focus at the sentence. Now he or she will focus at the sentence. This sentence is written. Okay, tracing it, the person will follow it. INSTRU, in this way he or she will follow it. Tracking means use it. This is for those persons which are looking at the distance and they have to write it. Okay, for example, a person have to look at the blackboard and then he or she have to write it. Okay, so he or she will follow it, and then in case of tracking will write it. And the next one is scanning. They will match it, is that one or this one is same or not. Okay, so these are the instructions for the telescope users. Thanks for your patience listening.